In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an element in Canva. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer, you'll often add shapes, photos, text boxes, or icons that you later decide you don't need. Cleaning up your design and removing unwanted elements is really simple in Canva. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open on the screen. You should see your canvas in the center with all the elements you've added. Take a moment to zoom in or out if you need a better view of the area you're working on. This can make it easier to select the exact item you want to remove, especially if your layout is busy or has overlapping elements. Now, start by clicking on the element you want to delete. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, a line, or any other object in your design. When you click on it, you'll notice a boundary box appear around it with little handles or circles on the corners and sides. This outline is Canva's way of showing you that the element is currently selected and ready for editing. Once the element is selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface. You'll see a toolbar that changes depending on what you've selected. In that toolbar, you should see a small trash can icon. This is a delete or remove button for that element. Go ahead and click on the trash icon. As soon as you do this, the selected element will disappear from your design. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted an element from your Canva project. If you accidentally delete the wrong thing, don't worry. Canva has an undo button, usually at the top left of the screen. Clicking undo will bring the deleted element back right away, so you can fix mistakes quickly and keep working with confidence. Remember, you can repeat this simple process for any element you want to remove. Click to select it, confirm that the bounding box appears, and then click the trash icon in the toolbar. This quick method keeps your design clean, focused, and free of distractions, helping you create exactly the look you're